Good morning YouTube and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Madison, and if not, welcome back. I am at the Bay Lake Towers today. We are staying in a studio room with a lake view, and we are in room 7437. So let's go inside and check it out. All right, so we are room 7437, which is on the south side of the tower. Going in, we have our little Mickey balloon. That does not come with the room. But right off to the side, you have a bathroom here. So in this unit, the bathroom, the toilet and the shower and the sink are all one room, which if you have a lot of people in your group can be kind of difficult, so do keep that in mind. But you do have a tub style shower with just the standard shower head, and then you've got a rack and a clothesline just inside the shower here, as well as a towel rack on the side to hang your towels. You do have more towel racks just on the walls back here, as well as a shelf for all your towels, your toilet, and a bin there. And then in, this sink unit here, you've got the sink, which underneath you do have some storage with the hair dryer inside. It's kind of hard to get to down here actually, but you've got the hair dryer and some extra toilet roll. You've got your H2O products. These ones are not the refillable jars yet. And then you've got some storage tucked into the wall here, but it is a bit out of the way, won't lie. And then coming back into the hallway, in this studio, you actually have another, you have the kitchenette, but it's like off in this little unit here as if it was a bathroom. So in the kitchenette, you've got your sink, and then as always, your drip coffee maker. On top, you've got the paper products. Again, the studio still haven't gone back to using the ceramic plates and cups or the silverware. You've got a bin down here, and then you've got some drawers. So inside the drawers, you've got all your coffee stuff. Again, we've got that Joffrey's 50th coffee this time. And then, like I said, it's plastic silverware here. You've also got a can opener, you've got a corkscrew, and you've got a bottle opener there. Then underneath, you've just got some more storage space in this drawer here. And at the bottom, again, it's a deeper drawer here, which you can see that's got some paper towels. You've got your mini fridge right next to this. And there is a little freezer unit, it looks like. I'm not sure how well that works. We haven't tried it out yet, but that's a good space in there. The toaster in this unit is a 4-slot toaster instead of a 2-slot, so it's a little bigger than most DVC units. You've got your microwave and your ice bucket and some extra storage on top, as well as some storage in this pull-out spice rack here. So you could probably fit like cereal boxes or boxes of snacks, as well as any spices that you wanted there. It's me again. And then around the corner, this part is nice. You do have like a mirror vanity area. A bit funny that it's in the kitchen. You've got some storage down here, but it is handy if you have someone in the shower while someone else is trying to get ready. And then coming out of the kitchen, right across, you've got a closet. So this is the majority of your storage space. In the closet, you've got the extra pillow and blanket for the fold-out queen sofa bed. You've got some hangers, an ironing board, which is standard in all these rooms. And then you've got the safe and the luggage rack there. So you could fit some suitcases in that. Going into the main bit of the room here, it's a bit backlit, but you can see the queen bed. There is no space under the queen bed here, so you can't store anything under there. You do just have kind of like a thin space in here that takes you to the bedside table. You do have on this bedside table a hole that leads you down into the outlet. So there's 2 outlets, but no USB plugs there. So that's something to keep in mind if you do need USB plugs by the bed. And then on the other side of the bed, kind of same thing. You've got your lamp and your phone, and then you've got your 2 outlets down there and no USB cords. Next to the bed, you've got the pull-out couch. You've got a bit of artwork here, so it's kind of that like modern futuristic pop art, but Andy Warhol style. And then on top of the bed as well, you've got this Mickey painting. And then if I just turn you around, you've got this huge big dresser and TV stand at the end of the bed. So going to this storage space here, you've just got some kind of like, sorry, it's gone blurry there. There we go. You've got some like thin shelf space, so you can store some stuff in that, and then you've got some drawers, kind of standard size, maybe a bit thin if you ask me, but the bottom ones are a lot deeper there. So you've got matching ones on both sides, and then you've got these really narrow drawers here that you could store like underwear, bathing suits or something in. On top, you've got the TV with the resort TV, and you've got some storage space under here. So there's a little bit of extra space there for you. You've also got the table, standard table with 2 chairs and a mirror bit there. And then going out, we have a lake view, like I said before. So we actually face the north side of the tower with our 2 chairs and our table. It is quite a spacious balcony as far as DVC balconies go. And then looking out, you have this lake view here. All right, if you watched this far, thank you so much. If you are headed to Bay Lake Towers anytime soon, I hope you have a great trip. It's really great so far. We're looking forward to exploring the rest of the resort over the next couple of days. Please, if you have watched this whole thing, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I do really appreciate it. And until next time, I'll see you real soon.